Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with the sign in button and enter your email address and your password to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your current payment method, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From the profile page, tap on Payments and Payouts, and then tap on Payment Methods. You will now see all of the payment methods that you have added onto your account within this page. You can either delete your original payment method and proceed with adding a new one, or add your desired new payment method first. Tap on the Add Payment Method option, and now you can choose from PayPal or your credit or debit card. Choose whichever option you would like to set, and then simply enter your credentials. Type in your card number, followed by the expiration date, the CVV number, your postcode, as well as your country or region. Then tap on the Done button, and once your payment method has been verified, it will be added into your account. After it has been added, just delete the old payment method, and now this new method will become your payment method on Airbnb. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your payment method on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.